alaikum. My name is Isha Lamani. I am telling a story of the clever little rabbit. Once upon a time in a green forest, the little rabbit saw a hungry fox. The fox said, I am going to eat you for lunch. The clever little rabbit smiled and said, wait, there is a bigger, tasty rabbit behind the tree. The fox ran quickly. There is a bigger, thirsty rabbit, bigger. But there was no rabbit. The clever little rabbit hopped away and was safe. Moral of the story: smart thinking can save the day. Assalamu alaikum.